Hello everyone, this is Mansi Mishra. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the 8 planets. As in last video, we have already discussed about the solar system. Let's start. These are 8 planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system in order of their distance from the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But the 8 planets in order of their decreasing size are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and Mercury. It means Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and then Earth in order of their decreasing size. It means Earth is the 5th largest planet and largest planet Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay. And in distance from the Sun, Earth is the 3rd planet. The planets do not have their own heat and light. They shine as they reflect the light of the Sun. But the stars have their own heat and light. As we know, the Sun is also a star. Okay. All the planets are almost spherical in shape. It means all the planets होगा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है. All the planets are like a sphere. Okay, let's move. The planets are generally classified into 2 groups. The first 4 planets are called the inner planet. The first 4 planets are called the inner planet. They are closer to the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These planets are made up of rocks. The next 4 planets are called the outer planet, as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called gas giants because they are made up of gases. Okay, let's see. These are inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are taken as inner planets. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these are taken as outer planets. Okay, let's see in solar system. This is Sun and this is asteroid belt. This is Sun and this is asteroid belt. Between the Sun and asteroid belt, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these planets are taken as inner planet. Okay, and out from asteroid belt, it means Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are taken as outer planets. Okay, let's move. This is Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. All the planets and other bodies of the solar system revolve around it. All the planets and other celestial bodies revolve around it in orbit. Okay, so revolve around it due to its strong gravitational pull. Gravitational pull or gravity is a natural phenomenon in which the physical bodies exert force or pull to attract other bodies. Okay, the Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Because Sun is the center of solar system, so all the planets find heat and light from the Sun. Okay, Sun is the center of solar system. Let's move. This is Moon. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is the one of the natural satellite of the Earth. The Moon is about 3,84,400 km away from us. No life can exist on the Moon due to the absence of atmosphere and moisture. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the Moon's surface. These shadows It has mountains, plains, depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the moon's surface. The moon is one fourth the size of the earth, so the moon's gravity is lesser than the earth's gravity. It is 83.3% less to be exact. Okay, let's move. These are 8 planets. This is Mercury, and Mercury is the nearest and smallest planet in the solar system, nearest to the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. And its color is gray or slightly brownish. Its color is gray, as we can see on screen. Its color is gray and slightly brownish. This is Venus. Okay, this is Venus, and its color is pale yellow. And the size of the Venus and Earth almost similar, so it is considered that Venus is taken as Earth's twin sister. Okay, because of size and shape. This is Earth, and the color of Earth is blue, white, brown, and green. When we see the Earth from space, it looks a colorful planet with shades of blue, white, and green. The oceans and seas make our Earth look blue. Okay, oceans and seas make our Earth look blue. When seen from space, the white color represents the clouds. Green shows the vegetation. Why do you think we see so little of the green color? So little of the green color. Okay, 30% of our planet 30% of our planet only 30% of our planet is covered by land. थोड़ा सा और कम ही करेंगे. 30% of our planet is covered by land. It is land. And other, it is covered by water. Okay, 30% land है and 70% water है. Okay, this is Mars. The color of Mars is reddish brown, and it is taken as red planet. Okay, this is Jupiter. The color of Jupiter is orange and white. We can see orange and white. Okay, this is Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is the 6th planet from the sun and the second largest planet in our solar system, adorned with thousands of beautiful ringlets. Okay, it is Saturn and adorned with thousands of ringlets, beautiful ringlets. Okay, Saturn is unique among the planets. It is not the only planet to have rings made up of chunks of ice and rock, but none are as spectacular or as complicated as Saturn's. Like fellow gas giants, Jupiter Saturn is a massive ball with made mostly of hydrogen and helium, adorned with इसका चारों तरफ ringlets हैं. Okay, these make it unique planet. Unique planet in solar system. Which planet? Saturn. Okay, and this is Uranus. Uranus is the color of Uranus is pale blue, and the seventh planet from Sun. This is Neptune, and its color is also pale blue but darker than Uranus. Neptune is darker than Uranus. Color is same, but it is darker and it is lighter. Neptune is the 8th planet from Sun and fourth largest planet. Okay, let's move. Thank you so much, and I hope all of you like the material, and in next video we will discuss about the longitudes and latitudes, longitudes and latitudes. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.